Hi Alex, I got your samples in. I just talked to you on the phone a little bit ago. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to try cutting these. A couple of them with this embossing die that I had that we talked about that you're going to try to do. Also, I'm going to use a regular steel rule die to cut a few samples too, to show you the difference in cutting. Lay this down on your thinner burgundy sample. Now, unfortunately, the thicker materials won't work on this die because of the depth of the embossing die itself. If you look, you can see it's still just a little bit thicker than that. It won't cut all the way through. Now, with the thinner stuff, we'll be able to get all the way through there. See that? I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works. Now, I'm using a little bit of dwell time for the embossing part of it. And as you can see, cut out pretty good. The press may need a little bit of adjusting on that, but it made the impression. Also the cut. I'll try it on another thinner piece here with the smaller die. Now, as far as cutting, I'm going to go ahead and use the circle die on here to show you this cuts real good here. Okay. There we go. A little bit of dwell time on there to get that cut with that plastic on the back side. So you need just a little bit of extra time on that to get this thing to pop in and out of there. And you can see it cuts out nice and clean all the way around it. So now I'm going to go ahead and try your thicker material. We'll just use the same circle die on each one. And same results, cuts out nice and clean. So there may be a dual action you need to do this if you're not going to do the embossing and the cutting at the same time. But as you can see, the clicker dies and everything cut the material out just fine. And it may be, you hear that pop, that's the popping through your material. And as you can see, cuts it out, pop your material out, you get a nice clean edge on that all the way around. Now I'm going to send you this video, and I will send you the samples back if you want to check those out, and we'll discuss your options. Thank you.